Because why?
Because that's just my valid answer. Look.
Whoa. I like how it grows.
Me too. I like how it goes. Oh, what if it grew all the way to the ceiling? That'd be a big slime ball.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah, and that would be really awesome.
It would be totally awesome.
But that would stick to the roof.
Ugh.
But this is not sticky because it was about to get on my clothes.
Remember, kid, get on your clothes.
Look, Mom.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Mom, that looks like a stingray.
Awesome.
Look, it's so flat.
Stingray bubble.
Ew.